Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to go from this to this. I'll be using Mark Hill's pick and mix wand, where you get the handle and all the different attachments separately so you can choose which ones you want. I'll be using the extra long tongs just because my hair is super long, so it's easier for me. As you can see here, it's super easy to attach all of the different ones. I also have the mermaid raver, which is really good. I'll be doing another video on that if you're interested. It literally locks into place when you just turn it, and it has this little handle here, and it also comes with gloves as well. So all you'll need for this is the colours themselves, a brush, hairspray, and also heat protection spray if you want. So I've already sprayed my hair with heat protection spray, and as you can see here, I'm just giving my hair a quick brush through, and then I'm sectioning it off. So we're going to do it in a few layers just so we can make sure we get everywhere. You can do this by, I don't know, chucking it up in a ponytail or clipping it up. I just literally wrap mine round and have it on top of my head like a big bun. I'm sure you all know how to curl your hair, but as you can see, all I'm doing is literally grabbing one section of hair and I'm going to wrap it all the way around the barrel, hold it for about 5 to 10 seconds and then let go. Try not to wreck your house like I'm doing. I think that's the second thing I've knocked over now. So as you can see, I've done the first section now, so I've got my second section down, and I'm just going to literally repeat those steps, taking each section, wrapping it around that barrel, holding it for a few secs, and then letting go. This is why you should wear heat protection gloves. Don't burn yourself like I do. Get them gloves on. P.S. Dancing is not optional, you have to dance while you're doing your hair. On the last layer now, and again, literally did the same, wrapping that hair around the barrel, holding it for 5 to 10 seconds and letting go. And we are done. So what I would rather do, unless you obviously want really tight curls like this, is I just go through it with my fingers to separate them all. What I normally do though is get a brush and brush through it to get like a more softer curl. I think it looks more classic, but it depends what look you're going for, so you can do literally whatever you want, however style or look you want to go for. Once you've done that, just literally spray with a bit of hairspray all over. And I always like to, when I'm having curls, give it a little bit of a back comb as well, just to add to that volume. But again, that's optional, you do you. And here we have the finished look. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you liked it. Give me a comment to let me know if you use any other type of curlers, and I'll see you in the next one.